Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Let's talk resolutions. I saw on Pinterest, it's a thing. It's not like I invented the wheel. We just got back from Walmart. Had a huge trip. Thank goodness Keith was able to come with me because that would have been very difficult with all 3 children doing such a large grocery order. Because I don't know if I said it before, but our Walmart in town, I don't know if you could say it caught on fire, but there was an area, there was, you know, those cleaning things that clean the floors? It caught on fire like a week and a half before Christmas. So our Walmart closed. Long story short, it is now officially open, but I don't think pickup is really working. Anyways, my app didn't work last night, so I had to actually go in the store. But I'm so glad I did because look what I found. It is a limited edition hot cocoa cinnamon roll with marshmallow icing. And I only got one, and I think I'm gonna regret only having one. So I don't know, we might have to go back and get some more, but since it's limited edition, because I'm pretty sure we're going to be hooked. And I'm not a huge sweet eater for breakfast in the morning, but who doesn't like, I mean, that just sounds delicious. And it is nap time, not for this one. He's big enough, but, oh, good job. But it's sunny and decent out, and they should be sleeping, but they also need to be outside for a little bit, so I'm letting them play for a little bit while I unload the groceries. Oh, Ryan, you almost smacked Walker in the head. Put that down. And then we'll go in and finish lunch and do naps.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, pumpkin, pumpkin. Oh, look, careful.
I just hurt my leggy.
Well, be careful.
Okay. And this thing can go pretty fast for a kid.
Yeah, show me.
He might need a bigger one. But we wanted to get him comfortable on a dirt bike because he wouldn't have been confident on a bigger one. But now that he's pretty confident on this, maybe for his birthday or next Christmas, we'll get him a bigger one. Good job. Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys. Okay. Let's talk resolutions in the new year and all of that. How do y'all feel about resolutions in the new year? So, initially, you know, the end of December and the beginning of January 1st, I was like, yes, I'm going to get back into my workout routine, work out, 5 days a week, get 10,000 steps every day, blah, 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 blah. Intermittent fasting, which I'm still probably going to do that. Or I have been, so I'll probably continue to do that. But, I don't know. So I had this epiphany, which I did feel in December. I feel like winter is a time for like hibernation. And this is the first year I'm very much a summer girl. I love summer. But winter has to happen. And it's going to happen whether I like it or not. And so this year, I've decided to view winter as a gift of rest. And the sun sets early for a reason. You have to come inside and you have to, stop your work. And I'm viewing it as a gift. So being that way, it just really didn't feel natural to start like a high intensity workout routine right now. And if it does for you, that's great. And maybe it will for me soon. Another thing I noticed was, and I know I'm not the only person, I feel like probably everyone is this way. It's like we vibe off of the sun. So today it's super sunny out. I have had so much more energy today than I have the last several days. But, days prior, I'm like, I just do not want to work out. I'm like, I'm so exhausted. And working out would, probably help that, but I just couldn't really bring myself to do it. And so, yeah, it doesn't feel natural to start a strenuous workout routine. My lips are super dry. So I'm just listening to my body and listening to what I feel like nature is saying. And I just feel like it's more natural come spring to start something like that. But all that being said is I just got a charger for my Apple Watch. And so there's a chance that I might start getting more steps, because once you wear an Apple Watch, you kind of see how little you're moving, and that in itself just makes you want to, you know, work out more. But I just feel like it's unnatural to start, you know, a workout program in January. We're still in the dead of winter. But anyways, so it's just interesting. That's the first time I've really had that view on winter. And two, I'm enjoying seeing it as a gift, and I'm enjoying the downtime that winter provides. But I got, do you know what a Kinect is? Like with the Xbox Kinect, it's a lot like a Wii. So I really want my like workouts to be the Kinect. So like I have dance video games, and then you can simulate playing tennis. And so I felt like that would be a really fun way to like burn some calories, and then my kids can play with me too. And so anyways, so that is probably the route that I'm going. And YouTube has a lot of videos for like Zumba. So there's fun ways that you can get activity in during winter. But then even if you don't, I wouldn't feel bad about it, because it is slightly unnatural. But then there's some days you do just have to move your body. But anyways, do y'all have any New Year's resolutions? Do you believe in New Year's resolutions? And yeah, I would just love to hear what y'all's opinions are about that. So I made shredded chicken yesterday in my Instant Pot, and I made several because I had intentions of making something with the leftovers, but I didn't know what that something was. And today I created, which I saw on Pinterest, it's a thing. It's not like I invented the wheel, but chicken patties, like deep fried chicken patties. They're kind of very similar to the squash patties that I would make, but protein and chicken. They're so good. I've already tried them. And look how pretty they are. And I made this, it's called a comeback sauce. It's like mayo, ketchup, ground mustard, garlic powder, what else? Lemon juice. There may be something else, I can't remember. But anyways, it's so delicious to dip that in. And the kids are gonna love it. They're playing outside right now, so I'm gonna let them keep playing until it gets dark, because it gets dark really early. But it's 5 o'clock. Keith should be home soon. And then I made rice. But I'm very excited over this meal. So it's the shredded chicken, and I chopped it up really good. Mayo, Dijon, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, a little bit of panko breadcrumbs, and those other breaded breadcrumbs that I use that are garlic. What are they? Oh, the garlic and herb breadcrumbs. And I just mixed it all together and formed them into patties and deep fried them. And I think they're going to be a new family favorite. They're good. One of my favorite things about Keith and I is we know exactly what needs to be done at nighttime to reset the kitchen, to start the day on the right foot. And no one has a specific job. We know the jobs that need to be done. But Keith put a twist on things. We do the coffee every night and get it ready and press brew later. So at 6:30 in the morning, our coffee is ready to go. But he got the coffee cups and the spoon and the napkin out tonight. And that is just, you know, when you've been married for almost 10 years, it's the little things, y'all. And that is something that really just makes me happy. So Keith, if you're watching, thank you. Appreciate you. Love you. And then I start the dishwasher because he is already in bed. I feel like I want to vlog our nighttime routine because there's lots of things that need to happen in order for the nighttime to run smoothly so that the morning time runs smoothly. And it's just like a nightly ritual. Sounds like a weird word, but routine, I guess, is better. But yeah, things that we do to clean up the kitchen and all that. So maybe that'll be my next video. We will see. But anyways, it's almost midnight and that's about my bedtime. I am a night owl. I love to have my me time and just relax uninterrupted. I feel like me time is just as important as sleep for me. But Luke's on Christmas break, so I also do kind of get to sleep in a little bit. So anyways, it is time to go to bed. So good night.